All right, so I decided that I'm gonna start recording poetry on my phone using the voice recorder. So I just finished recording the audio episode for my YouTube channel. And the last line I said was, or no, the title. I said, I need a title for this. So I said, the first thing that came to me, which was, I was ignoring love. So I said, oh shit, that's deep, right? I was like, damn, what if I wrote a poem about it? But I don't know if I want it to be a poem or a short story. So I'm going to just flow, and I'm standing near my candles. So I was ignoring love. I don't know what I was looking for. I just knew that something was missing. And even before I ever felt hurt, or no, even before I ever felt violated, I just always had this hurt. I never felt like everything was okay. And for a while, I thought I was succeeding and being successful in the chaos. I felt like my life was okay. I had money. I did things. So maybe it's okay to just not be all right. I didn't know what anxiety was. I just knew that I never felt like I could be still inside. And I laughed and I joked and I had fun with my family, and I felt moments where my heart felt good. So I knew that that was love. But a lot of times I feel like I was just trying to survive. I don't know. Growing up, I felt really close to my siblings. But when I think about it, besides the times where we all laughed and joked and had fun, I think my mom always felt like a stranger to me, in a way, because it just was too much trauma. And I think sometimes we could grow up and feel like that what we went through ain't really shit. Like, we like, oh, we all from this area, so we know that, our parents did this and did that. But like, yo, that shit was traumatizing. But I do feel like going through dark helps you eventually get to the light. And you remember to love again. And to even be interested in learning about love and unconditional love. I've said I love you so many times. I've heard I love you. But a lot of times I think I was confused about what love really was. I didn't recognize when I was hurting people. I didn't recognize what really made me hurt. So I went a long time ignoring love and I'm learning more about love. I thought I loved myself. I'm loving myself now. I don't ever want to go back to not loving myself. I get scared if I ever start not loving myself again. We've been ignoring love because love is hard when you got to get used to it again. So, yeah, that's my piece.